Ms. Darinne Ko was pregnant and had an abortion when she was first interviewed at CPIB on April 2nd last year. This was revealed in court by CPIB Chief Special Investigator Bay Chun on day 5 of the trial. He was assigned to take the first statement from NUS law professor Tay Soon Hang. However, Mr. Bay was not allowed to disclose details recorded in Tay's first statement, as Tay had applied to launch a trial within a trial to challenge the admissibility of this statement. Tay claimed that he had made the confessions because he was being treated in a certain manner at CPIB. Tay also said on day 2 of the trial that his first statement was recorded on the very same day after he was discharged from Alexandra Hospital. He said he was on psychoactive drugs and was diagnosed with acute stress disorder and altered mental status. Mr. Bay said while Tay was cooperative when he was first picked up on April 2nd, 2012, he became more and more dejected as time passed. At one point, when Tay was told about the allegations against him, he looked down on his tie, and when he lifted his head, Mr. Bay saw that his eyes were red as he muttered he expected this day to come. At around 7 p.m., Tay started complaining of chest ache. At around 8:30 p.m., Tay vomited and requested for medical help. He was wheeled into an ambulance and admitted to Alexandra Hospital. Mr. Bay said he learned from the doctor that Tay was suffering from claustrophobia after being confined for hours in a small room. Tay also could not write down his name, IC number and address, so he was warded for the next 2 days and got discharged only on April 5th. Mr. Bay said he had wanted Tay to go home and rest first, but Tay insisted on having his statement recorded immediately after his discharge. This contradicted what Tay had told the court earlier, that he was instructed to return to CPIB as soon as he was discharged. Mr. Bay said when they met again at CPIB, Tay appeared very obliging, very humble, nodding and nodding, but he was not entirely cooperative in giving his statement. The prosecution now has to prove to the judge that Tay had given his 6 statements to CPIB voluntarily before they can be admitted as evidence. The trial continues on Thursday.